Well, hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is stay-at-home grandma, and I got the finished project from Tuesday. I was having a hard time getting the little things through and everything like that, but this is the finished one. This is the first one, and I tried that, and I'm actually going to hang. See that? It's kind of uneven on the bottom, but I'm going to hang a necklace on it and see how it does. How's everybody doing? I am doing fine. I'm cold, though. It's cold. It is really cold here. So that works out really, really good. And I can hang the other ones on the inside, just have to open them up and put them in. That looks good, I think. Don't you think? Yeah, that was my first try at that. I'm trying other things. I like that. So I'm going to hang that up somewhere in here. And do that. Then I did these bracelets. I did a lot of them. Let me show you these. I got the little bow bracelets, bohemian bracelets. I'm going to have to, boho bracelets they're called. I'm going to have to put some beads on them, but I finished them nonetheless. I did this one. Okay, and I did this one on wire, I think. I don't remember now. These are done. I'm going to put some beads on them. Did this one. Now these are for the smaller, this will not go over my hand, so it's for the smaller woman. Well, it'll kind of go over my hand, but I don't want it to. And then this right here, and this right here, and this right here. They're two kind of almost alike, except the colors are different. And then I did these two, and these two are here, and the last two are here. So I've been working. I just need to now come on and work while I'm talking to you. Kathy, when you, or somebody, will you please tell me how I can change my my name, kind of, and in my description box, right down below, okay, I tried to change it. It's changed, but when I link over to my regular YouTube pages and stuff like that, it's still the same, and I want to put some changes in there. So just let me know. Somebody let me know what I'm doing wrong, because I can always be doing something wrong knowing me. And I'm just sitting here getting ready to do some work. So I just figured I'd come in and talk to you guys and see what's happening and everything. I know anybody that's in the north end of the world, I don't know, pretty much it's been raining in California and in certain places where it's not supposed to rain, I guess. Well, this is what I'm hearing, and I really don't know what to say about that. I mean, that's crazy. But I'm now working on making these cards and, making them into tags. I like this one. You see this one? It's got two different colors on it. I was sitting up there playing around last night. And I'm going to start stamping these. The other ones are already stamped, I think, yeah. And I have to put some embellishments on them. So that's what I've been doing. I haven't been sitting here doing anything. Don't think about that. But I just thought I'd come in and talk to you for a minute. See what's happening. What's everybody cooking for dinner? My husband's making liver. I'm not cooking tonight. He's been cooking a lot lately. I don't know why, but I ain't gonna complain. And actually, that's about it. Anyway, I wanted to ask you something. Yeah, like I said, anybody that can answer me on how to change my description and everything just a little bit and everything, please tell me, because I am in my name. I'm not changing my name. I'm adding something to it because I've done everything I know to do, and it just doesn't seem to be coming over. So if anybody can help me, please help me. Anyway, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to watch some videos and do some artwork. I'll see you. Well, unless the kids want to do something, I won't see you again until Tuesday. I still haven't decided whether I'm going to do just the cooking on Thursday, and then I might do the reviews on Wednesday, because it's kind of like the middle of the week, and pretty much he delivers things all the time. But like I said, I'm cutting back, so you know, we'll see what happens. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your other friends to tell their other friends, and everything like that. Because I'm getting close to 4,000 now, and I'd like to. And if I get to 4,000, with your help, somebody, okay, not naming any names, I'm just saying, is going to get a nice little bag of prize, because I've got so many things that I can send out. And oh yeah, I know, I got some Happy Meal. It's downstairs in my room. I got some Happy Meal from Europe, but it doesn't say what part of Europe. And she was like, she's an artist, so I'm going to probably, I should have brought it upstairs. I really wasn't thinking. I will probably do it tomorrow, just because, that was really nice. And I haven't got any mail from Europe in like years. I mean, we're talking some years, okay? I mean, because my husband was in the military and stuff like that. But I haven't gotten mail like that in years. So I was kind of shocked, but happy at the same time, because I like getting Happy Meal. Hint, hint, hint. And she said happy birthday and everything. I haven't a clue who this woman is. And I mean, I don't know whether I've seen her on YouTube or whether she goes, when I go on Crafting Mamas on Tuesdays and Friday evenings, maybe she's from there. So hopefully tomorrow evening when I go on Crafting Mamas, her name will pop up, and I'm going to tell her thank you anyway, just in case. But I'm not sure where she was, but that was really nice. So anyway, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.